Hello students, I am Gayatri Miss and today I am going to teach you GK of class UKG and the topic name is FILL feel, THE the, MISSING missing, LETTERS letters. Feel the missing letters. So dear students, in this topic, each and every word, some letters are missing. You will have to write these all places correct letters at proper place and you will have to make a meaningful word. So first is M dash double R dash R. So in this word there are two letters are missing and you will have to fill correct letter at proper place. So which word is this? Now I would like to give you the clue. You can see this is a picture. Now what is this? This is mirror. So, what is the spelling of the mirror? MIRROR, mirror. So, we will fill here after M, I and then double R, O, R, mirror. So, dear students, a mirror or a looking glass is a something that reflects light. And one common plane mirror is a piece of a special flat glass that a person can look into, see a reflection of themselves and what is behind them. So this is mirror. Now the next is L dash M dash. So in this word also two letters are missing. So you will have to fill correct letter at the proper place and you will have to make a meaningful word. So what is this? Now I would like to give you the clue. You can see this is a picture of lamp. So the lamp spelling is LAMP, lamp. So we will fill here L after A, then M, then P. Now this is lamp. So dear students, this is the artificial source of light as by electricity or gas, a device for giving light, especially one that has covering or a containing within something. So this is what is lamp. Now the next is FR dash D dash E. So in this word also two letters are missing and you will have to fill the correct letter at the proper place. So which word is this? Now I would like to give you the clue. You can see this is a picture of phrase. So the phrase spelling is FRIDGE, phrase. So in this word the two letters are missing. So we will write FR, then I, after that D, then G, then E. So we will write like this and we will complete this word FRIDGE, phrase. So it is a thing of kitchen equipment that uses electricity to preserve food at a cold temperature. A phrase is a large metal container which is kept cool usually by electricity so that food that is put in it stay fresh. We use phrase for the cooling of water also and to preserve food for long time. Now the next is KN dash F dash. In this word also there are two letters are missing and we will fill the correct letter at the proper place. So which word is this? Now I would like to give you the clue. This is a picture of knife. Now the knife spelling KNIFE, knives. So dear students, after KN we will write I, KNIFE, knife. It is an instrument composed of blade fixed into a handle used for cutting or an weapon. A tool usually with a metal blade. A knife is a tool consisting of a sharp, flat piece of metal attached to handle used to cut things as a weapon also. We use knife especially in the kitchen to cut vegetables, to cut fruits. So now the next is M dash L dash. In this also two letters are missing. So we will feed correct letter at the proper place. So but which word is this? Now I would like to give you the clue. You can see this is a picture of milk. So the milk spelling M-I-L-K, milk. So dear students, after M we will write I, M-I-L-K, milk. Now, milk is rich in calcium. It keeps bones healthy and strong, prevents bone problems. Drinking milk can help blood pressure. So, milk is a source of calcium, which is essential for healthy, strong bones. So, dear children, you should drink milk every day. Now, the next is S dash L dash D. Now, which word is this? So, tell me. In this word also, two letters are missing. We will fill correct letter at the proper place. But which word is this? I would like to give you the clue. Now, this is a picture of salad. Now, the salad spelling S-A-L-A-D, salad. So, after S, we will write A, and after L also we will write A. Now, this word completed, S-A-L-A-D, salad. You know, dear children, this is an important source of daily fiber. Salad helps protect the body from diseases such as cancer and heart disease because they are high in fiber which improve digestive system. So eating a salad every day, it is an important source of daily fiber. Now the next is C dash K dash. In this word also two letters are missing. So we will fill correct letter at the proper place. Now, which word is this? I would like to give you the clue. This is a picture of cake. Now the cake is spelling C-A-K-E, cake. So we will write after C, A, and then we will write after K, E, cake. So dear students, cake, it is a sweet baked food made of flour, eggs, sugar and flavoring. Cakes can be made in the form of loaf and layers. It is a flat, round portion of food that is baked. We use cake to celebrate any special day like birthday, anniversary, any special day. Now, the next is P dash double Z dash. Now, in this word also two letters are missing. So, we will fill the correct letter at the proper place. So, but which word is this first? I would like to give you the clue. Wow, this is a picture of pizza. Yes. Now, the pizza spelling is P-I-Z-Z-A, pizza. So, we will write after P, I. And then after double Z, we will write A. Now, this is pizza. An Italian food made of a flat crust covered with tomato sauce, cheese and often meat or vegetables, then baked. Normally, people like a large pizza with mushroom and onions. This is a dish made typically of flattened bread dough spread with a mixture. So, this is a fast food. This is not a healthy food. We should eat, but sometimes in the less amount. But we should always use healthy food, my dear students. Now, the next is T dash L dash P. So, now in this word also two letters are missing and you will have to fill the correct letter at the proper place. Now, so which word is this? So, I would like to give you the clue. This is a picture of flower, but which flower? Tulip. Tulip spelling T-U-L-I-P, tulip. So after T we will write U, and after L we will write I. So dear students, this is which flower? This is tulip. So dear children, tulips are one of the most popular beautiful flower in the world. They are about 150 species and 3,000 of more different species and the varieties. Now the next is R dash S dash. So in this word also two letters are missing and we will have to fill the correct letter at the proper place. So but which word is this? So dear students, I would like to give you the clue. You can see in this picture. This is also a flower, but which flower? Rose. R-O-S-E, rose. So dear students, after R we will write O, and after S we will write E, like this. So dear children, a rose is popularly known as the king of flowers. They come in the different colors such as red, white, pink, yellow, etc. A rose plant has a small and sharp thorn on its stem. The flowers looks beautiful when blooms in the garden. Rose is the symbol of beauty, love, and compassion. The petals of rose are soft and they're used in perfumes due to its fragrance. They are used for decoration in various ceremonies also. So, dear students, like this you will complete at home, fill the missing letters. Thank you.